Well, Nigel, for any spectator, it was an excellent game of football, end-to-end stuff, but the result, obviously, not the one you wanted this evening.
No, just decided on the quality of the finishing. I thought we had enough chances, probably slightly more than them, but we didn't hit the target enough. Our goalkeepers had to work tonight to keep them out, and they've put two excellent finishes in, which we only put the one in.
To go 2-0 down, but then to respond in the way that you did, though, you must have been pleased with that.
Delighted with the effort of the players. They can't try anymore. They're absolutely dead on the feet in there. So in terms of effort, no problem at all. A little bit more quality, a little bit more thought at times, but thrilled with the effort that they've put in. On the back of Tuesday night as well, we had a big last 16 in the League Cup here on Tuesday. We're out both cups now within 4 days. The old adage, we just concentrate on the league.
Can I ask you about the Andy Cannon injury? Do you feel that you were maybe fortunate to finish with 10 men?
You mean not finish with 10 men? I didn't see it apart from just the challenge, but I haven't seen, the referee was right there, so I didn't see a decent angle of it, but I'll see it afterwards.
As we've seen and as we've said throughout this evening, it's such a competitive league that you're in as well. Now you get to turn your concentration back to that, and these games come thick and fast.
Yeah, it's all that matters now. Next one that matters is Salford away next Saturday, and that's what we've got to concentrate all our efforts on now. No distractions now. We've still got the AFL trophy, but no distractions, just everything towards the league.
Nigel, really appreciate your time. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.
Thank you.